Hello and welcome along people to another one of my little videos. Well, today I have something a little special for you. A special look back at 2021 F2 British and Scottish champions. Lee Crawford and Scott Hardy. They managed to win both British and Scottish in 1 year, and to the best of my knowledge this has never been done before. So with the permission of Scott and Lee, I've put this little smorgasbord, a little montage together of different laps throughout the season from last year. Sit back, make yourself a brew. It's quite a short video, so don't blink. It's fast and it's furious. Enjoy. Hopefully you enjoyed Oliver's Mount, and if you didn't recognise it, you should recognise this. This is Donington Park and second round of the FSRA F2 British Sidecar Championship in slightly damp, moist conditions. As Lee and Scott make their way to the head of the field, they're passing by some former world and British champions. are staying at Donington Park for a moment Unfortunately for Lee and Scott, they are not P1 on the grid this time. Fortunately for us, they're not P1 on the grid this time. So we get to see them overtaking and battling for position in a second race at Dunning Park. Hold on tight, it's going to be a fast one. That is an impressive display of sidecar driving. They started 5th on the grid, went back to 6th, and now they're P1. This time we are north of the border, we are in Scotland, and the last round of the FSRA British F2 Sidecar Championship. Lee and Scott also contest the Scottish F2 Sidecar Championship in 2021 and won that as well. I was at the last round in Scotland and witnessed Lee and Scott come off track, refuel, have a quick drink and go straight back out again in the Scottish races, because both British and Scottish F2 Sidecar Championship races were run at Knockhill on the same day, so the guys were racing in both races. I told you not to blink. You might have to go back and watch it all again. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't, please feel free to leave a thumbs down. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to ding dong the notification bell, and that way you will never ever miss another episode here on the Mad Leprechaun. Until next time, people, take care of yourself, and hopefully I shall see you at the Sidecar Revival, Cadwell Park. Not long now. Bye-bye.